How's it going, guys? This is Travalgar Valentine. Today I'm working on the Ford Escort again. As you can see, it's working out nicely with all these different edges and stuff. I might have to make some few finishing touches on the whole car itself, but it looks really good. I like it. A lot of detailing in that. So let's get these wheels done. Let's zoom in just a little bit. There we are. Okay, so to do the wheels in a nice curve, I'm going to use the elapse tool here and just find an appropriate sized elapse circle. Okay, that's a little higher than I wanted it to be. I'm going to have to make this wheel match up as well. I'll make it work. Okay, and then, so, well, I've just got this tool in my hand. Start doing the inner circles. That one would work. Okay, then let's get a thinner one. And maybe just one more. Okay, let's get this other one in. These do come in handy. I don't use them very often, but I do them when I'm trying to do professional drawings. Okay, let's get some more inner circles. Is that the right one? Yeah. Okay, looks good for a guideline. Now I need to shade this in. So let's go to some markers. Then this side. Okay, then not all the way down. And same on the here. Just being kind of be a bit careful with these because it is a thick black marker. Just bring this car down just a little bit. Okay. Then let's get some grey in there. Okay. Then need some Copics in there, my trusty ones. So I'm just going to start off with the orange. So it's doing some spokes here, and it has a white wall edge around it, so we're just going to leave that. The other car is red in most sections, so I'll start with the orange first. And I just want to clean up some of these edges with a 0.5. Fill in these little sections. Right, it's looking a little blocky, so let's get some red shading in there, especially on these darker areas. Making sure this is all nice and dark. And not much detail in this. Just do some lines. Okay. I want to do a little bit of shading just on that white. There it is. There we go. Then a bit of red. Okay, I want to get a bit of grey shading in with my biro. And just break up this contrast a little bit. Just feather it around here. Same on this side. Right, where is my pencil? Just want to darken up this area. Okay, No, I think that's everything I want to add. Ooh, let's just try this. Let's get a white pencil in here. Just to lighten it up a touch. Okay. I think that'll do for now. I don't think there's anything else. Make this a touch darker. Okay, let's get some Posca marker on there. Just to highlight a few areas. There's a little circle in there. There. Just a little dot there. Okay, I think that'll do for the time being. How's the car looking? Yeah, I like that. Looks good. I want to get a bit of ground floor in there. Something for it to sit on. So let's just get my brown pencil. I'm pressing quite hard just underneath it, just for those darker areas. And just bring it up a little bit, just on black area. Just another tone in here. Just darken up this edge. Okay. Looks good. I want to contrast that red with a touch of green perhaps. And let's get another shade. Okay guys, I think I'll leave it there for today. Don't know what else to add to it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it for a night, come back to it tomorrow and review anything else that I need to just tweak on. But for now it looks pretty awesome, I'm happy with that. Yeah. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you later.